guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you this makeup look I did using mostly e.l.f. Cosmetics products. I started off with using that lip balm. I love it. I love the tint that it gives to my lips. It is amazing. I then went in with this primer. I used it to smooth out my pores and it did just that. I am now going to be using their Precise Brow Pencil. I love this pencil. I used it until it was finished and I'm definitely going to buy more. I put all of the names of the products on the screen, so if you are interested you can look there for the names. So right now I am filling in my brows using this pencil that I absolutely love. It has a spoolie at the end, so it makes it really convenient when you're filling in your brows. I am now moving on to their concealer. I love this concealer. As a matter of fact, all the products that I have used from e.l.f. so far I absolutely love. So I'm using the concealer to kind of clean up my brows. I have not done my brows since the pandemic has started and they have grown out quite a bit, so I definitely need to clean them up with these concealers. I have a darker one that matches my skin tone and a lighter one. I went in with these foundations that I thought would match my complexion, and I used a brush to apply the foundation. Now when I first put it on, I thought I'd use the lighter one, but I didn't. This was actually a darker one, so I'm not sure if it matches me completely, but I had faith and I used it all over my face and it appears as if it matches. I mean, it goes on a little bit light, but it really oxidizes down to my complexion, I believe. So I'm going back in with that concealer to highlight under my eyes and the places that you normally highlight. One thing I will say about this concealer is that it dries really quickly, so you have to move fast when you're using this concealer, but it does give a great coverage and I like the foundation. The foundation can go on. I like it. For what it is, I like it. And the concealer, I like the concealer too. I'm not totally in love, but you can use them, and for the price they are good for what they are for the price. So I'm actually highlighting and concealing right now. So this is just a glimpse of my highlight and contour routine. It changes over time, but for now this is how I am actually doing it. I don't know why I am using that sponge to highlight and contour. I really didn't like using that sponge, but next time around I'll use my beauty blender. I'm going in with my Mary Kay powder. I don't remember the name right now, but I'm using that powder to set my highlight, and I'm using my Maybelline powder foundation to set my contour, and my MAC face powder to set my whole face. And because my face was looking a little bit chalky, I used this e.l.f. illuminating mist to kind of bring down the chalkiness on my face. So now we're moving into the eyes. I really wanted to do like a halo effect, a halo type of eyeshadow look on my eyes, and yes, this was how the package was delivered to me. I was really bummed out that one of the eyeshadows broke, and it was a gold eyeshadow and I really love gold eyeshadows, but it broke, so I had to work with it. And that is why most of the products that I received in the package, that is why most of them looked dirty, because this eyeshadow palette broke on me. I was so upset, but for the most part the eyeshadow payoff is good. For the price, it is really good. They are buildable, so I ended up using like a mauvish kind of purplish color in the center of my eyes, and then I topped that off with gold. I feel like the gold really brought out the color a little bit more, and I'm really glad that I did that. So yeah, I really like this eyeshadow palette. It's a sunset eyeshadow palette, and I really like those kinds of colors on women of color. So if you are interested, you can always pick up this eyeshadow palette. It is approved by Kim K. I went in with my blush and highlighter. It is a blush and highlighter that I use all the time. The blush is from Milani and the highlighter is from Black Radiance. I use it all the time, so I really like those products. So now I'm using this e.l.f. dark Vampy lipstick. I was going for a ombre lip, so I used the dark Vampy purpley color on the outside, and then I don't know, I used some of the concealer on the inside of my lips because I really wanted that ombre effect. I don't think it was giving what I wanted it to give me, so I went in with my Sasha Cosmetics. It's like a light brown kind of lip shade. It wasn't giving me what I wanted it to give, so I went in with this lip gloss that I bought from e.l.f. and that put the cherry on top of this look. So this is how it came out. I have a tutorial on my hair linked in the cards above or in the description down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know if you have tried e.l.f.'s products, e.l.f.'s cosmetics as yet. If you're sleeping on e.l.f., wake up, because their products are really nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.